Even during a respiratory virus pandemic, heart disease was the #1 killer of Americans and people throughout the world. Now, sauna therapy can be very helpful for people to reduce the risk factors that contribute to cardiovascular disease, like hypertension, high blood pressure, poor cardiovascular function, and much more. And there's a new paper finding that individuals, depending upon their occupation, so police, firemen, military personnel, shift workers, stand to benefit the most from regular sauna therapy. I want to read to you the title of this paper: The Cardiometabolic Health Benefits of Sauna Exposure in Individuals with High Stress Occupations, a Mechanistic Review. So again, a lot of athletes are going in the sauna, a lot of sort of biohacker people who are probably already at low risk for heart disease are utilizing the sauna, but I don't hear the sauna being discussed for people who are working in occupations, and bless their hearts, the firemen, the police, very high stress, their circadian rhythm dysfunction, they're getting up in the middle of the night, chasing down criminals, putting out fires and inhaling smoke and the whole thing. Those individuals and shift workers and health professionals that work the night shift stand to benefit the most from sauna bathing. So if you know someone or you yourself work in a high stress occupation, you should invest in your health by getting an infrared sauna or building your own sauna in the backyard. I will links below. I'm a huge fan of High Tech Health, their infrared sauna. Check that out. We have a whole do-it-yourself video where you can make your own do-it-yourself backyard sauna. It's like an off-grid sauna using a wood-burning stove. Really invest in your health, my friends, because heart disease is one of the diseases for which your lifestyle has the greatest impact on the progression. And if you can change your diet, change your lifestyle, change your nutrition, your exercise, and also get a sauna and start going in the sauna, because it improves blood flow, it improves the microvascular system tone, it can reduce blood pressure, it can reduce the prevalence and the incidence of dementia and Alzheimer's. The list of benefits is so numerous. But I feel like it's only biohacker type people. It's only people who are just knee deep in this literature that watch, Joe Rogan or Rhonda Patrick, that are into sauna. But there's everyday people, super stress occupations, that are taking blood pressure lowering medications, that are having sleep apnea and all the issues that are surround or associated with heart disease, that could really benefit from going in the sauna. So want to share this video with you, my friends. Check out this article. If you have a friend or you yourself are in an occupation where it's high stress and their circadian rhythm dysfunction, start saving now. Put $5 a day in a money market account, and every single day in a year or two, you will have the funds to have a sauna, and that could enhance your longevity and reduce the prevalence of heart disease. So again, check out this paper. I will link also the do-it-yourself sauna video and links on how to get started, and also links for High Tech Health. You can tell them that High Intensity Health sent you. We have a coupon code as well. So as always, friends, thanks for tuning in. Share this video if you liked it, and let me know what you think in the comments below.